And while we were sidetracked watching the indictment unfold, Florida Senate Bill 7050 was announced. It's almost as if Trump's indictment has triggered this bill. For DeSantis, getting rid of Trump is only step one of two to clear his path to a presidential run. And while some red hats speculated that DeSantis will come to Trump's aid, well, here's Ronald.
If charges are brought on him, will you have any role in extradition to New York?
We are not involved in this, won't be involved in this. I have no interest in getting involved in some type of manufactured circus by some Soros DA. I've got real issues I got to deal with here in the state of Florida. I've got so many things pending in front of the legislature, so we're not going to be involved in it in any way. I'm fighting for Floridians, and I'm fighting back against Biden. That's what I do every single day.
For DeSantis, obstacle number two is this, and this is actually from a clip that I dropped in March. But then there is a legal reason. Florida Statute 99.012. The following actually is the holdup. No person may qualify as a candidate for more than one public office, whether that's federal, state, district, county, or municipal, if the terms or any part thereof run concurrently with each other. Also, no officer may qualify as a candidate without resigning from the office he or she presently holds. And once submitted, the resignation is irrevocable. And here's what we've all been waiting for. Just gonna forecast here that Statute 99.012 will likely see an amendment introduced within the coming weeks or months by one or more of the legislators who are currently polishing DeSantis' SS boots. This is Florida Senate Bill 7050. In this one-page document, it is really only one line that matters. The legislator intends to revise laws relating to elections. They are clearly targeting Florida Statute 99.012. Whether they intend to carve out special consideration for the governor or revise the entire statute remains to be seen. And just in case anyone thinks that they can drive a legal challenge through the Florida court system, the final arbiter is the Supreme Court, where this is Ricky Poston resigned after 14 years on the bench. Next up, the image machinery will start to churn.
God looked down on his planned paradise and said, I need a protector. So God made a fighter. God said, I need somebody willing to get up before dawn, kiss his family goodbye, travel thousands of miles for no other reason than to serve the people. So God made a fighter. So God made a fighter. So God made a fighter. So God made a fighter.
And while DeSantis may not be very well liked by politicians, he is a darling to various industries. Just look at the recent insurance law changes in Florida. He's already very well funded, and he will only attract more money. In all, Trump will likely be quite busy staying out of prison. DeSantis will pick up steam and force the GOP to contend with his candidacy. And party line voters, well, either vote blue or vote us straight into fascism.